Hello everyone. In this video we will see allied angle problems. So in that first one, show that sine 120 degree into cos 330 degree plus cos 240 degree into sine 210 degree is equals to 1. So here we need to show this left hand side value. After doing the simplification, you should get how much answer? 1 you should get. Then only left hand side value is equals to what here? Right hand side. So for that, first consider left hand side value. So in that, individually I am going to solve all four values first. Okay, so in that first I am going to consider sine 120 degree. Okay, sine 120 degree. So first step, 120 you bring in the standard form, so which is equals to sine, 120 lies in between 90 to 180, so in between it comes. So one is odd number and one more is what? Even number. So I am going to consider here even number only. So 2 into 90, 180 minus how much degree we want? 120. So you need to subtract how much here? 60 degree. So 2 into 90, 180. 180 minus 60 is how much? 120. So which is equals to 2 is even number. So sine remains sine. So finally how much degree is here? 60 degree. So keep that 60 degree as it is. Okay. So next 2 minus is here, correct? 2 minus. Therefore here I am going to draw plus. So I am going to start with 0. 0, 1, 2. 2 means 180 degree. Here it comes. Minus means it will go back to the previous quadrant. In second quadrant, sign is which sign here? Positive sign. Therefore here I am going to mention how much here? Plus. So next, which is equals to, next see the trigonometric table, standard angle table. Sine 60 degree value is how much here? Root 3 divided by how much here? 2. Therefore first value we got sine 120 degree value is how much here? Root 3 divided by 2. So next cos 330 degree. Here I will solve. Cos 330 degree. So which is equals to, again same, cos you keep it as it is. 330 can be written as what? 330, 4 into 90, 360 minus how much degree? 30 degree we want, correct? So 360 minus 30 is how much? 330 degree. So which is equals to, again even number. So cos will remain cos. So finally here which degree is there? 30 degree. So keep that 30 degree as it is. Next here 4 minus is there. So draw here plus. So start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 means 360 degree. But 330 means, minus means previous quadrant, means which quadrant it will come? Fourth quadrant again. In the fourth quadrant given cos is which sign? Positive. Therefore here I am going to mention plus sign. So next, which is equals to, again see trigonometric table. In that trigonometric table, cos 30 degree value is how much? Root 3 divided by 2. So we got cos 330 degree value root 3 divided by 2. So next cos 240 degree. So which is equals to, cos I am going to keep it as it is. 240, again 240 means in between 180 to 270, 240 comes. So here one is even number, one more is odd number. So I am going with the even number only. Therefore I am going to write 2 into 90, 180 plus, to get 240 I should add how much here? 60. Then only 180 plus 60 is how much here? 240 degree. Next, again which is equals to even number. Cos you need to keep it as it is. Finally at the end 60 degree is there, so keep that 60 degree as it is. Next here 2 plus. So here I am going to mention plus. Again start with the 0. 0, 1, 2 Plus means third quadrant. Again, you know, in the third quadrant, cos is which sign here? Negative. Therefore, outside here you need to mention minus sign. Again, next is what? See the trigonometric table. Cos 60 degree value. So you know here cos 60 degree value is how much here? 1 divided by 2. So here you mention cos 60 degree value minus, I am going to keep it as it is 1 divided by 2. So we got cos 240 value. Next, at the final here sine 210 degree is there. So consider sine 210 degree. So which is equals to, again 210 comes in between 180 to what? 270, correct? 180 to 270, 200 comes here. Which one I am going to consider? Even number only I am going to consider. So sine I am going to keep it as it is. 2 into 90 is 180. Next 180 plus, to get 210 I should add how much here? 30. Then only 180 plus 30 becomes 210. So which is equals to, again 2 is the even number. Sine I am going to keep it as it is. At the end 30 degree is there. So keep that 30 degree as it is. Next here 2 plus. So 2 times 0, 1, 2, 2 here it comes. So plus means which quadrant here? Third quadrant. Again, you know, in the third quadrant, sine is which sign here? Negative sign. Therefore, here outside you have to mention negative. Again, see the trigonometric table. Sine 30 degree is how much here? 1 divided by 2. So now you got all 4 values, correct? Next step, what you need to do is all 4 values you need to substitute in equation number 1. Therefore 1 becomes, so which is equals to, first sine 120 degree is there. You know sine 120 degree is root 3 by 2. So here I am going to mention root 3 divided by 2 into cos 330. Cos 330 is again root 3 divided by 2. Next plus next cos 240. Cos 240 is minus 1 divided by 2 into sine 210. Sine 210 is minus 1 divided by 2. Next simplify, which is equals to root 3 into root 3 is 3 divided by 2 into 2 is how much here? 4. So next plus, minus into minus is plus, 1 into 1 is 1 upon 2 into 2 is how much here? 4. So next here you take the LCM. So LCM is 4. So here you need to multiply by 1. Here also multiply by 1. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 1 into 1 is 1. So here 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 4. Cancel these two. Finally how much you are getting? 1. So which is equals to what here? RHS. Therefore left hand side is equals to what? Right hand side. So next question, find the value of, otherwise sometimes they make you simplify. Sine 480 into cos 510 minus sine minus 150 degree into cos minus 120 degree. So again same, first we will find all the values, then we will do the simplification. So for that I am going to consider this as 1. So next take first value, sine 480 degree. So sine 480 degree. So which is equals to sine, I am going to keep it as it is. See the 480. 480 comes in between 5 and 6, correct? Here 480 comes. So in this 2, which one is the even number? 6 is the even number. So I am going to consider 6 into 90, 540. We need 480. Therefore we need to subtract how much here? 60. So 6 into 90, 540. 540 minus 60 is 480. Next here 6 is there, even number. So sine you keep it as it is. So at the end here 60 degree is there, so keep that 60 degree as it is. Next 6 minus, so here I am going to draw the plus. So 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, here it comes. Minus means it will go back to the previous quadrant. So previous quadrant means second. You know, in the second quadrant sign is positive sign. Therefore here I am going to mention plus. So which is equals to, see the table, sine 60 degree value is root 3 divided by 2. You got the first value. Next, cos 510. Cos 510. So again, you know, 510 comes in between what? 450 and 540. So here which one is the even number? 6. That is only I am going to consider. So which is equals to cos 6 into 90, 540 minus how much here? 30. Okay. So which is equals to, again even number, cos remains cos. Here at the end how much degree is there? 30 degree. So keep that 30 degree here. So next 6 minus. Okay, 6 minus. So draw here plus 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 minus means second quadrant. You know, in the second quadrant cos is which sign? Negative sign. Correct. Therefore here outside mention negative. So which is equals to, next again minus sign, keep it as it is. Cos 30 degree value in that table is root 3 divided by how much here? 2. So next third one, sine minus 150. So sine minus 150 degree. So here sine minus 150 is there. So first you need to apply here trigonometric ratios of minus theta. You know, sine of minus theta value is how much? Minus sine theta. Correct. Therefore apply here, this value becomes sine of minus 150 becomes what? Minus sine 150 degree. Okay. So next, which is equals to this negative sign outside on, I'm going to keep it. So next sine 150. Again, you know, 150 lies in between 90 to 180. So here which one is the even number? 2. So 2 only I'm going to consider. So 2 into 90, 180 minus how much degree? 30 degree. So next, which is equals to minus, you keep it as it is. Sine also, because of even number sine remains sine. Next at the end here 30 degree is there, so 30 degree. Next here 2 minus, so draw here plus 0, 1, 2 minus means which quadrant? Second quadrant. You know, in a second quadrant the sign is which sign? Positive sign. Correct. Therefore minus into plus goes to what here? Minus sine 30 degree. You know, 30 degree value is how much here? Minus, I am going to keep it as it is. 30 degree is 1 divided by 2. Next, cos minus 120. Cos minus 120 degree. Again, apply trigonometric ratios of minus theta value. You know, in that cos of minus theta value is only cos theta. Correct. Therefore, this value becomes, which is equals to cos of minus 120 is only cos 120. So next again same, cos 120 can be written as 2 into 90, 180 minus 60 degree. So next, which is equals to even number, cos remains what here? Cos. So cos even number, again 60 degree, I am going to keep it as it is. So next here 2 minus is there, so draw plus 0, 1, 2 minus means second quadrant. Again, you know, in the second quadrant cos is which sign here? Minus. So which is equals to minus, I am going to keep it as it is. A cos 60 degree value is 1 divided by 2. Next, so we got all 4 values. Now substitute in 1. Therefore 1 becomes 1 becomes, which is equals to, first sine 480. Sine 480 value is root 3 divided by 2. Root 3 divided by 2 into sine 5 cos 510 is how much? Minus root 3 divided by 2. Middle which sign is here? Middle which sign is here? First one, sine 480 is minus root 3 by 2. Next, cos 510 is minus root 3 by 2. Middle which sign is here? Minus. So I am going to keep minus. So next, sine of minus 150. Sine of minus 150 is how much? Minus 1 by 2. So in bracket I am going to keep minus 1 by 2 into last one, cos minus 120. Cos of minus 120 is how much? Minus 1 divided by 2. So which is equals to multiply. So here plus sign, here minus sign, plus into minus is minus. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 divided by 2 into 2 is how much here? 4. Next, minus into minus is plus, 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 2 into 2 is 4. So again take here what? LCM. So LCM is 4. Multiply here by 1, multiply here by 1. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, minus 1 into 1 is 1. So which is equals to minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 divided by 4. Cancel these two. What is the final answer here? Minus 1. So this is the final answer.